Good evening, my friends. Paul once again. Yep, it's time for another bath, another day's work over. Something has gone down in Miami, and I'm not sure if it's a hoax or not, but there seems to be something to do with aliens walking along the street. And I know it sounds mental and crazy, but I've just been watching it on YouTube. So I'm going to ask Spirit if this year is going to be a year for contact. See if they know. Thanks for joining me. Good evening, Spirit. This is Paul. Sorry about the noises from downstairs. Hopefully it won't interfere with our communication tonight. If you can speak to me, please make it really loud, very clear if you can, so I can share it with all the people. Now, I've just been watching some news on the internet, and there seems to have been 3 aliens captured walking down a street in Miami, in America. Now, can anyone confirm if this is true or not, please? I would like to also ask if this year is going to be the year of sightings and visitations, because it seems to be coming to a head now. Are we going to see alien visitors? Can you tell me that? Now, I have to be honest, my friends, I thought it would be more people seeing ghosts and spirits, better communication and, well, more evidence on film. But it seems to me that it's going to be alien visitors from other worlds. I'm starting to shape up that one. If it's possible, can someone tell me who they are and where they're from? Yeah, that is something I would like to see for myself, and I bet most people would. Do you have anything important to tell the people regarding what we're talking about? Because I feel this is a year for disclosure. I don't think they can hide it much longer. Okay. Well, I think that's enough water for me for tonight. I'd like to thank you if you've spoken to me. Speak to you again soon. Thank you.